Hey guys, welcome back to another Roblox video. Today, I'm going to be playing Build a Boat with my new boat. And you're going to be surprised at how I built it. And this time, I'm sorry I haven't been posting since June 2025. So I'm going to make it up to you. And I was tossing and turning, thinking, what should I do? What should I do? And I know what I'm going to do. So I built myself, well, you can see what it is. I built myself in Build-A-Boat. I've seen a lot of people doing it, so I decided I'd do it myself. So here we go. Just gotta wait for it to load. And I'm gonna give a little tour, so just watch me give the tour. Don't go off. Because a bunch of you just start the video and are like, you know what? I don't like this. So just stay. I'm gonna get to the good part. Oh, and I'm white. I'm white tea. Oh, perfect. Though that means it might take a while. So I'm just gonna switch. No. We'll be lucky. Okay, so we've got our stuff right here. Got this kind of stuff, but I'm not starting the tour yet once it's finished loading. And I'm not really gonna be doing a lot of cutting out. It's like a stream, but I've never streamed before, so I'm not gonna do that. Okay. I'm just gonna turn my back. It says it's still loading, so I was actually gonna make some finishing touches to this. Need more of these. Where are they? Okay, so as I'm putting these down, I shall do the tour to you. Okay, so don't laugh at me, because this took me a while. This is me. Wait, yeah, this is me. This is me, Mercy Per statue. Also, it's very blurry. I wonder what happened. Okay. So, this is me. This is my defense area, and this is here in case I actually want to be there. You can get up either way, or you can get up through here in case of an emergency. Go up. You go up here. And I made the foot small because as I was doing it, it was perfect, but then I made the hip too small. So, And so, you just go up here. I can be going first person. And here's the passenger area. There's some chests. Music note. You go. Oh, no. You have to go. I can't even do this. Okay, so you need to jump to this one. And jump to this one. Then you open this trap door here and jump out into the shoulder. Which is where I am now. And don't ask about the hair. It's not happening. And then in here, the headquarters. Get it? Well, that doesn't work. With this light bulb here, it lights up. And so, yeah. And you may have noticed that my avatar looks a little different. Well, because I wanted to change it, because, I don't know. I just wanted to change it. Yeah, new makeover. Oh, I forgot the earrings. Not a problem. Here we go. Observe how I make the earrings so wisely. This is not good. Don't hate on me. Just watch the video and, be good. I line those up perfectly. Okay, so I'm going to take my place in the headquarters and be watching. And maybe I'll cut out a part where I'll go. Okay, so that was the inside of me. Fingers here, you can jump out into my hand if you wanted. Down here, oh no, I didn't color. Oh, embarrassing. Okay, and go. Okay, so we have a bunch of levels. I don't have any speed up things. So I'm just going to... I was gonna launch a harpoon to make it to go further and faster, but no, never mind. Now, I took a few test runs when the pants were just a thing. But other than that, no, I didn't do anything until I added the finishing touches. Okay, ow. Do it like this since my screen's not very good. Okay, we're fine. Everything's fine. Oh, who are you? This guy's a hacker or something. Hey, who, what, where, who, what? Oh, I thought you could only... Okay. Don't mind me, just mumbling to myself. Okay, so we're gonna go into the next one, and these get harder and harder. So, and I know one of them will be the hardest yet, but I think I just pointed to it with my cursor. Dang it, I gave it away! No. Sorry, there was just something I had to attend to real quick. Who's that guy? Who are you? Go away. Okay, so there's just a random guy stalking. And we're going in here. Oh, the base is gone. I think they're gone. I think I need to actually do something and get this guy off my boat. Go. Can't lose my hair during this. I lost my hair a bunch of times. Oh, ow, ow. Oh. Oh no, all the harpoons are gone, so I can't get back up. Normally I would rope something if I wanted to climb, but it's not gonna work. Ah! Help! Help me! I'm okay. There's that level, I guess. It's breaking things. Oh. Maybe I'll stay in this and hope I can climb it. Oh no, if the candy train comes. Oh phew, just barely missed that. We still look good. Still look fine. I barely even see anything missing, just the front. Good job, us. Oh, I only have one cannon here. Oh, no, no! That's where I am. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Hurry, hurry, hurry. It's the safest way. Oh, jeez. Oh, no. Oh, it's getting destroyed. They want me. Oh, no. Okay, leaving. Good. That was close. Well, that's not good. Oh no. Oh no. No. No, 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 no. Yeah. Don't mind my sound. Just haven't posted in a while, so you know. I need to get back to the headquarters. No, no, no. I lost a leg. I need... My hand will save me. Oh no, this water isn't gonna be safe. if I'm gonna make it. No. No. Okay, so I didn't make it. That's okay. I'll just cut out the rest until I can make it again. So, no biggie. Just go again and you don't have to watch me this time. Okay, I believe I was here. Oh, no. I believe I was here. This one. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Uh-oh. What happens if... Oh, no, my ponytail. Oh, no. And me. I move. I need to move right now. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Let me down. There are no more seats down here. Where do I go? What do I do? Oh no. What do I do? Where do I go? Oh no. There's no way back up. Here. This definitely will not stay. So I just have to pray. There's no way back up. I can't go back up to my headquarters. No. This makes it a one hit. This makes it a one hit. Okay, hit one. No. Okay. I don't think there are any more on the oh boy, but there are. No. Don't be like this. No. There's still some here. To climb back up. I did it. Now I just have to stand here and hope that I don't die. Ah, yes. But also, oh no. Because I'm on my side and I lost my head. And there's nothing left inside my headquarters. And by the heads being mashed. Where I am is okay, but this is not looking good for me. The torso is always fine every time I launch it. Also, are you asking Izzy, how many times have we launched this? Oh, you'll never know. Yeah. So, once the waterfall comes, I can't guarantee that I'll survive, since everywhere I look is an open spot in which I could die. So, I don't know if I'm just gonna survive this. Especially since it's basically gnawing away at the last pieces of my body. So, my hand's fine. My hand's perfectly fine. I thought it was gonna break off. Barely. Feet are like all gone. This one's fine, except when you look under, it's not. Okay, can't guarantee this. I don't know if I'll survive. Okay, 3, 2, 1. No! Ow, ow, ow. Ow. Ow, ow, ow. No. Ooh, 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 ooh. Wow. Wow. That was close. Look at that. Wow. I did it. Yes. Finally, I did it with you guys. Force Super Statue, may you rest in peace. You went through a lot. Your eyes, you're on your face, and oh, okay. Okay. Goodbye. And in case you're wondering, I don't have that much gold. And you're saying, how did you fund your dream for this? I don't have the scaling tool, I only have the painting tool. I have nothing else. And yeah, I had to go here a bunch of times to fund my dream, so it took me months, okay? So make sure you leave a like, because I worked really, really hard on this, and I really appreciate if you subscribe, even though my videos suck, so Please. I'll try to post regularly again. And maybe even use the face cam.